You can't find one of them. You're gonna be
Okay,
they gonna
okay.
be to knock your ass out for that goddamn car.
Okay.
You need something you can find.
Yeah. I don't know what is available.
Yeah.
Dude, those cars when I was younger,
Oh
I wasn't a
shit, my
car
boy
person.
working on.
I didn't think they were cool. Like I thought they were stupid. I liked
Hey,
my car, but I thought I was like, oh, it's this old
what you
piece of
think about
shit.
my new thumbnail right here, fool?
Which one?
That one. I'm finna start making my thumbnail something like that.
It's a setup thumbnail?
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah. Ooh, what about that?
Yeah, if you're doing YouTube stuff, they say thumbnails are important.
Funky Town bet against Scrapper. What you think about that? That look good too.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Have fun with it though. Don't kill yourself on it.
I'm finna kill myself on it, dude.
Don't do it, bro. Have
I
fun
think
with
I'm gonna
it.
do it.
Definitely have fun with it. Use it as a creative outlet, but don't kill yourself on it.
I'm gonna kill myself already. Okay, this one deep right here.
He ain't never been out. Yeah. He ain't never been out.
Oh shit.
Let me
Me neither, brother. I'm trying to get fast. That's how I feel.
Well, see, I just figured out it's a way to well, I've been working with this audio shit. Okay, look, these two right here.
Yeah, he's looking for that monster.
Have you know him? You seen him?
I've seen him before. I don't know his name.
That's Pedro.
Okay.
The car called 1D.
1D. Okay. Cool.
Yeah. He just got it. He just put the motor in. He ain't made
what I'm talking about. Yes.
Look, he just learned how to drive. Look how he drives. Watch this.
That's gonna be me, bro. Ooh, huh?
Hey, man. Yeah, let's put some of that. That ain't no stick. Oh, shit. Hey.
Shit.
You see how much glue that motherfucker put?
I like it, bro. He's like, I've watched Street Outlaws.
Everybody around that they don't know what the hell they doing right now. He poured all that damn glue for 3 cars. Look at that shit. Somebody else could drive right in there and get another day. Look.
Honestly, though, I'd say better too much than too little.
Yeah.
The people that put like one little ketchup squirt of it, you know what I mean? They look like they're trying to fucking put condiments on a hot dog instead of, covering it. It needs to be smothered, in my opinion. Like
okay, something wrong with this car, fool.
I think I was here when this happened.
Oh, you was there? Oh, yeah, there you go, right there.
Yeah, I remember. I was like, I remember this.
Okay.
Shout out to Chris. I met him recently. He was nice.
Yeah, so they end up doing it.
There it is. That's better. Ooh, that's so pretty though, dude. Those T-tops, bro. I love that shit.
They talking about we need to go to Rednecks for paychecks next year, Stone Vet.
I want to.
I wonder what
you know me. I couldn't do something like that by myself.
Yeah, that's the kind of setup you need right here, fool. That's an LS carburetor, not this car. That's fuel injection right there.
That's what I was gonna say. I don't see a carburetor on that.
Yeah, this fuel injection, and he carbureted.
Damn, I lost a little weight since that video. Thank God. Started getting big again, man. I'm back on that diet. I got to get back in shape before my wife gives birth.
Yeah, see, that's going to be you, Stone, man. He don't know where nothing at in the car.
Nah, I'm going to know. You know how much I study before I do something like this? Before I came to the track the first time, I watched probably 30 fucking videos on how to stage your car, how to launch your Subaru. What does the fucking tree mean? I have to learn about all that shit because I'm so anxious. Do you know what I mean? I'm gonna know where everything in that car's at by the touch of my hand because I'm gonna be sitting in there for hours, imagining, pretending to stage. I'm excited, man.
Rez Daddy said, "What's good,
brother?" What's up, Rez Daddy?
We have Rez Daddy here in the building, guys.
So, Okay, so we're saying small block, carbureted.
LS, the cheapest shit, 5.3.
Okay, so not small block then.
That's a small block.
Oh wait, I'm thinking. So I was just thinking before LS.
If it got old motor in it, we'll spray that shit.
Okay.
So just start looking online for 90 anything. We need a Camaro, a Trans Am.
We need a Camaro,
it don't matter
Trans
what
Am.
year.
Okay.
Whatever you can find. We
Blown
need
motor is fine. In fact, preferred, because if somebody doesn't know what they got, that would be preferred. Well, it just stopped running, and now we don't know. I think it's a blown motor if you take $500 for it.
Yeah, we don't care what's in it. We'll spray it. Okay. If it's a 305 in it, we spraying that 305 in it. You're going to get the feel what it do.
Okay.
You're going to get the feel what it do.
Chris has that TA for sale. Thing's pretty, man. I can't afford that, though. Did they say Trans Ams are like 4 times the price of Camaros? Oh, I just popped my back. Let's take those. So I need I'm putting some notes. It's called the Content Creator. That's what we're going to name it. You ready?
Content Creator?
Yeah, that's what it's going to be named.
Oh, somebody say he need a bigger steering wheel. Oh, man, I was betting some kids. Let me show you these damn kids. You ain't never seen this. Show you some you ain't never seen.
Oh, Carrie, I'm excited about that seat
super clean. Hey, no, I'm trying to go it fast. Pull it up. My car always do the dash. Know you mad. Ooh, we getting on their ass. Body bad. I'm on the highway, jamming us in my way. Man, I got robbed by some kids, fool.
I saw this.
I got robbed.
I love it, man.
Where those damn kids at? Oh, you seen the small blocks?
I saw you handing out them ones to those kids.
Small block. I'm going to the track, looking for a small block with a stock style. Telling her just don't stop. Got the trans brake. Man, I'm about to take off. Pull up in this bitch. I had to take the day off. Blackjack came to the track. Couldn't make a full pass. How about that? Hey, I made $20 off of this pass. Knew he wouldn't get on nobody's ass. Hey, Stone Vic. Stone Vic pulling at the fucking track. Ben, now he getting chicks.
I'm already looking for this car.